get the idea if I didn't respond, I was in trouble. Yeah, it's changing. Yeah.
I've seen some developments also. They're clearing land on Oslo again.
That is not going to look this. It already is not looking the same. But it's
when they put that much money in road infrastructure, you know that something big is coming up.
Yeah.
Yes, you do.
You saw one that they're putting up by the mall there, that Arums Blossom Mall.
Yeah.
Houses starting at 100.
I never do.
I do occasionally.
I should, but I just don't.
This is a good place if your kids come down for Christmas. They do a beautiful job. Over by the town town hall.
Doesn't Val work around here? I mean, I don't know. I'm guessing because she said she works in tradition.
She did.
She did.
Yeah. She doesn't live far from here. We actually looked in Traditions. We looked at a couple of places here. They've got a lot of fees. And they have a lot of dogs.
Those are two draws.
Yeah.
And smoking is allowed, I imagine, right?
Yeah.
Well, I did talk to the guy with the dog, Walter.
Yeah. Was he rude?
No, he was very subdued and seemed quite. He was very subdued and cool, and seemed very surprised that I sought him out. But he said they didn't know the rule, but they will not do anything. They will follow the rules. They don't like to not do it that way. But I also, I want to check.
Yeah.
This one,
Just around the back part.
I have to tell you, Jim and Deb came and they told me about the
Yeah.
tour. They told me how great it was. I was thinking, kept thinking in the back of my head, this guy is not that good.
No, he's terrible.
So
He read things. And if you're going to do a
You want to
presentation,
go straight ahead or left?
No, I think he's right over here. You
last
can
thing
you
you
can
do
you can go
is
right over
read
here.
to people.
yeah.
I think
He
this is
said
the square. That's all I want to see is the
718,
square
112,
and where the stores are.
And the stores are on the other side of the main street.
to look at
Well,
that
right
looks
behind
like-
here. They're all around
And you
here.
can read it
This is
just
where they have
like
all
he
their
did.
functions. In the summer and
So
in
you
the
wanna go left
winter.
here?
You make a left here, yeah. This is basically, this is the only part I'm interested in.
Oh, you know, what does this say? What does that say? No. No, but
In fact, sometime they have music here,
you
Walter.
never know. This
You
is
never
so
know.
pretty. This is so pretty. I like that.
That big place over there.
What's that? Robbins?
They've changed.
Cars always have a different grip.
Look at that little Fiat. Wow.
I haven't got
They
this
got a
one.
holistic center,
Nice
which I
to
haven't
look
seen.
around.
See, a number of these stores here went out of business. It looks like they've all come back now.
Yeah, because this place
Go to the right if you don't mind.
didn't
Thank
do
you.
well for a while. Now
Yeah,
it's
no, everybody left. But
Now, these are nice little.
this Chinese place stayed on.
It is, yeah.
You got a juicer here. That's cute. The bike shop is gone. And I've never seen that restaurant. What is that called? A Hobie Cat.
You want to go left here?
Bobcat.
Yeah, go right. No, let's go to the right.
There are more stores to the right, but okay.
Now, I'm going to see what's in here. Or is this just a building?
I think it's office buildings,
No
offices
signs.
and stuff.
Office.
So, be welcome, yeah.
See, now, I don't remember this ever being here. That's a
I
restaurant,
think
I'm
that's
assuming.
new. I don't
Yeah.
remember it being here last time I
Yeah, because they have it on the lake, it looks like.
I've never even heard of Bobcat. Usually,
Then they have some more places here, which I have not seen.
no.
There's another lounge.
They got a sign on that golf cart. I'm thinking,
I think there's a big Publix here.
yeah, I'm gonna put it on Charlie's.
And they have a
Just gonna have
Camaro.
the,
Okay.
the X that says do not.
The left.
Oh, that-
Yeah, if you don't mind,
Now
just
that's a
going through
classy
here.
Panero.
That is, yeah.
This is all opened up now.
This is wow.
This is a boutique.
Yeah, we came through one time looking.
That
And
is a classic.
do you know it's a lot different? It looks different when the people you're riding with are not grumbling. It goes.
And a couple,
Olivia,
I know.
look at all this.
they used to have some
got a
private
taco
restaurants
dive.
right up. Oh, they got a taco dive. Look at
Whoa,
that.
that's fancy for taco dive.
Smart Regency Dental. That was a French restaurant, if I'm not mistaken. It was a little, it was a little bistro.
Is it really?
That's a chain.
It looks like it's gone.
Because I was thinking, you know, if I wasn't going to be by the ocean,
This is where you'd be?
well, it has a lot of appeal to just have a little townhouse someplace where you can just walk. I think this may be
These are very popular shoes. Very
gentrified of
popular.
sorts, but I like the idea of
Bagel
if
Brothers.
I ever left the ocean and it wasn't in a box, I would want to go someplace that had a lot of community to it.
That's why they're building a lot of those new places up